Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Cosmic Bloggers. Not wasting much of your time, I would be sharing today's video topic, which is about Mafushi Island, which is the most famous public island in Maldives, which you should visit definitely if you're on a lower budget. If you all have not watched my video on 6 things that you should know before planning a trip to Maldives, below is the link. You can just click in there and check out the video and share any comments or queries if you have. So quickly moving to today's topic of discussion, which is about Mafushi Island. I will be sharing some basic information about Mafushi Island, which you all should be knowing, and some top things. In fact, not the top things, the only things which you should be doing here to cover the whole of the island, the whole of the experience of Mafushi Island. So starting with some basic information on Mafushi Island, it's a very small island which is around 1 to 1.5 kilometers in total and is divided into three parts. The southern part is basically the tourist area wherein you will find all beaches, all local restaurants, all guest houses where all the tourists are staying, and the central part of it is basically where the local people would be staying, and you will have a local mosque, you will have an administrative office, a school, as well as a playground. And the northern part of it is the Mafushi prison, which covers almost one third area of the entire island, and it's the only prison on that island. So this was about Mafushi Island. Some other important things are it's half an hour behind Indian Standard Time, and it has only 2,700 people which are staying on that island. So it's a very small island which you can cover by walking in one single day. And however, there are a lot of things you can do here, and can spend around 3 days here covering all these things as per your interest. So quickly starting with the top things that you should be doing on this island, which will cover the whole of the experience that you should be having on the island. Starting with number one is the Bikini Beach. So Bikini Beach is the main attraction of this island, and the reason why this is the main attraction is because Maldives is a Muslim country and has a lot of restrictions on the attires that you wear. However, this is the only beach which allows you to wear bikinis, and it is the perfect place for the sunbathers, and you can relax by the beach on the hammock which is placed in the center of the ocean. And you can also set up a candlelight dinner with your partner just very near to the beach, which will cost you around $50, I guess, or even lesser. So it is very cheap and it is the best experience of your life. So this is one top thing when you visit Mafushi Island. Moving to next is the floating bar. Floating bar is another best part of this island, is because alcohol is prohibited on this island. You're not allowed to carry alcohol here, and floating bar is one concept here which is made to cover this part of it for people who really desire to have drinks on this island. Floating bar is the place you should go. So you will be taken to this bar. So there's a huge ship which is parked at the center of the ocean, where you will be taken there by a small boat or a safari boat, which will cost you nothing. So they take you there at zero cost, and the only cost that you incur is the drink that you order there, which is very cheap. So maybe a pint of beer will cost you around $5, which is not much as compared to the country called Maldives. So this is one experience you should not miss, because it is very beautiful sitting on that ship and feeling the cool breeze and having some good food and having enjoying some drinks, clicking some pictures with your partner. It's a very beautiful experience you should definitely have for yourself. So the next one is the excursion activities. So snorkeling is one experience in Maldives which you should not miss, and comes with snorkeling a lot of different activities which will be in much lower cost if you take them in packages. So excursion activities have a lot of different packages ranging from $25 to $100, and depending on your interest you can choose these packages. So we had taken basically a half day excursion package, which included snorkeling, which included lunch at Sandbank, which included dolphin watching, and the pictures and the videos of the entire tour were also included in this particular price. So it was totally a worth excursion activity tour that we did as per our experience. So the two snorkeling points that we chose was the Biadu Reef, wherein you will find beautiful coral reefs underwater, along with beautiful different colored fishes where you can swim along. And the second point was the turtle point, wherein you will find a lot of turtles. I will not say a lot of turtles, but you will find at least 4 to 5 turtles just around you at the surface of the water, and you will enjoy swimming with those turtles, and it will be the best experience of your life. Sandbank was another experience which we really liked because we clicked really beautiful pictures out there, and the overall peace and the overall experience over there was quite relaxing. And dolphin watching was the experience there because watching so many dolphins together, it is one of the best experiences that you can ever have in the turquoise blue crystal clear waters. So the next top thing is the beautiful sunset that you should not miss out there. I think not many tourists know about this sunset that happens at every 6:20 p.m. in the evening, which is Malay time, and it's very near to the Jetty Harbour. Any localite over there can guide you. The whole scenario of the place during sunset is so beautiful that you will have the most serene, the most pristine, the most beautiful time of your life. So do not miss the sunset when in Maldives because it is the best thing you will experience in your life. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the water sports activities. Apart from snorkeling and those excursion activities, you have various other water sports activities which you can probably book in. So you have jet ski, you have kayaking, you have stand-up paddle, you have surfing, you have flyboarding, you have windsurfing, you have parasailing, you have knee boarding, and a lot of other activities which also comes in different packages which you can book as per your interest. And people who do not know swimming and are not much confident or not much interested to book a scuba diving or maybe a snorkeling or excursion activity should can definitely book these water activities in addition. So the next top thing is night fishing. So if you're someone who fancies a perfect barbecue dinner from the fresh exploits right from the ocean, I think night fishing is definitely one experience for you in Maldives. So this basically starts at 5:30 p.m. in the evening and continues for around 3 hours, wherein you venture deep into the ocean and from there you hook a bait and up till your finishing line. So if you're someone who likes fishing regularly, definitely night fishing is one thing you should try in Maldives. It will be an awesome experience. So the next on the list is the underwater submarine. Underwater submarine is basically the most unique experience wherein you can explore the whole of the ocean and also spot marine animals and see the aquatic life underwater. So it's a very beautiful experience. If you do not like swimming or going underwater, you can basically try out underwater submarine, wherein you're taken from by a speedboat to the underwater point site, and they also give you a complimentary tea wherein you can sip your tea and relax and enjoy the beautiful sight of all the marine animals and click a lot of pictures. So these tours basically operate at different timings. You can choose any as per your convenience, and it starts from morning and goes on till late afternoon. You can check and book as per your convenience. So I'm sure many of y'all who are not on a very good budget would always want to visit a private island. However, I know it is very costly and can cost you a bomb. So there is one more option which is next on my list, which is the private resort day tour. So this is one option which helps you to cover the private island as well. So they will give you a day tour for the entire day, wherein you will be taken to the private island from morning till evening. You will be given a free buffet and unlimited drinks, and you can enjoy the feel of staying or roaming around on a private island for an entire day, which will cost you for around $100 to $200, depending on the kind of resort that you choose. So this is one very good option if you always wanted or wished or desired to go on a private island and couldn't do so as per your budget. So you should definitely go for this option. So the last but not the least, and the best experience, my personal best experience in Maldives is scuba diving, which I think if you are a swimmer, if you're a non-swimmer, you should definitely not miss in Maldives in the turquoise blue waters, because it is the best experience of your life. Trust me, guys, when I'm saying this is something you will not regret doing in life. Even if you're scared doing it, you should definitely try, because it is 100% safe. So we had done a lot of research before booking our scuba diving. So we went across a lot of vendors inquiring for how is the process and how they go about it. And we personally would recommend you to go to Mofushi Scuba. And the reason why I'm saying this is because Mofushi Scuba is the only center we found there which provides a one-on-one mentor for scuba diving process. So this is one important thing which which I feel is very much required, because it gives you a lot of comfort zone. So the whole of the scuba diving process starts at 1:30 till 4 p.m. In the beginning, they show you a 20-minute video which gives you all the instructions of how the scuba diving process is, and how what things you should take care of, and what things you should be keeping in mind. And post video, they take you to through a speedboat. They take you to the scuba diving point, and as per your comfort zone, they start with shallow waters, starting with 4 meters, then go 5 meters to 6 meters, and then directly they take you to 12 meters. And they also take care of you very well, of your breathing process. They monitor you very well, how your body is reacting and how much comfortable you are. So that is one thing which I think is very required if you're a first time scuba diver. So the whole dive was around 45 minutes, and I really enjoyed uh, exploring a lot of different colored fishes, manta rays, coral reefs, and sea turtles, and tentacles, and whatnot. I mean, the life underwater was so beautiful. And thank you, Mafushi Scuba. The experience that you gave me was one of the best experience, and I think you all should book to Mafushi Scuba. To have more discounts booking through Mafushi Scuba, you can ping us and let us know if you are looking for an experience and looking for discount for scuba diving.